So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload your activities online using the Webhost website. All you have to do is to register on their website using your email address. Your email address must be valid. You can use your Gmail or Yahoo Mail. Then type your desired password. To complete your registration, an activation link will be sent to your email address. All you have to do is to click that link and you will be verified. Click Let's Create Some Magic. So what you would like to do, click Create Web Design. Then click Other. In naming your project, you have to type your complete name because this will serve as the URL of your website. For my example, I will type Computer Education 9. And then you have to type your desired password. Please take note of this URL and password because you might need it later or sometime, especially when you will upload or when you will update your website. Okay, once you're done, all you have to do is to click Upload Your Site. Then you will be redirected to this web page. Double-click public_HTML. Then at the upper right side of the web page, click Upload Files. Then upload your activity index.html. Then click Upload. To check your website if it's working, go back to the homepage of Webhost, then click the URL under your website. It should open a new tab and display the output of your activity. Next, copy the URL and send it to me on Microsoft Teams or on Microsoft Outlook. In updating your website, for example, you will submit another activity next week. All you have to do is to click Manage Website, go to File Manager, double-click again public_HTML, then click Upload, select Files, then upload your activity for the next week. Okay? That's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.